Hi guys, I'm Isha. I'm a mom, a blogger, and a fitness enthusiast. I don't know about you guys, but it was really difficult for me to lose weight. It's so hard to start working out, and then staying consistent is impossible. There's always some extra work and responsibilities that just keep creeping in, and before you realize, you've stopped working out altogether. So does that mean you have to give up on all your weight loss goals? No, you don't. Because I have some really simple hacks that promise to help you lose weight. And the best part? They're so easy that anyone can stick to them, even you. Hack 1. Honey and lemon water. I've actually lost so much weight just because of my honey detox drink. I started having a glass of warm water with honey and lemon every morning, and it is so effective that I wanted to share it with you guys today. All you will need is a glass of warm water, a bottle of Dabur honey, and if you prefer, a lemon. How I make it? Heat up water on stove till it is warm. Pour it into a glass and add a spoonful of honey. I prefer using Dabur as it is the most effective in weight loss. You can also add the juice of half a lemon if you like. Ideally, you should drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach as it enhances its effectiveness. This simple drink has so many benefits. It helps you lose weight considerably. It flushes out the toxins from your system. It boosts your energy levels, acts as a diuretic, and also gives your skin a nice and soft glow. Hack 2. Replace regular tea with green tea. Are you addicted to your early morning cup of chai? Well, so was I. But all that dairy is not good for you if you're trying to lose weight. And then you also add a lot of sugar to it to make it even more unhealthy. That's why I switched to green tea. It is packed with antioxidants and contains caffeine. It also has enzymes that stimulate fat loss, which makes it a perfect replacement for your regular tea. But because a lot of people can find the taste a little strong, they end up adding sugar to it, which negates the benefits of green tea. Instead, you should add honey. Studies have found that regular consumption of honey reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases as well as bad cholesterol. It also has a lower glycemic index, so it doesn't spike blood sugar levels. If you prefer drinking coffee, then replace it with black coffee and add a spoonful of honey to it. Hack 3. Eat cinnamon. Cinnamon is a superfood. It helps improve metabolism and insulin functioning, making you feel more full. All of these are great benefits for weight loss. Cinnamon is also very versatile. What I do is add a pinch of cinnamon powder to a glass of warm water and a teaspoon of honey. You can also add it to your oats, cereal, or even sprinkle it over fresh fruits. When combined, cinnamon and honey make a potent weight loss tool. Honey is so great for weight management that there are several diets based around it. One of the famous ones suggests that it can actually help you burn fat even when you're asleep. I would recommend everyone to go ahead with the detox drink that I shared earlier, as it was life-changing for me, and I'm sure it will work wonders for you as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. There's a lot more great content coming your way. Until then, bye-bye.